Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning all. We from Group 8 will be presenting our discussion about space geometry. Before that, I will introduce the three of our members. The first one is me, Rizky Kurnia. The second one is Daniel. And the third one is Rizky Saputra. Space geometry. Space geometry is a set of all points, lines, and planes in a three-dimensional space that is in the enclosed part of the limiting surface. There are two categories of space geometry, the flat side and the curved side. The flat side has three more categories, which is cube, pyramid, and prism. While the curved side has also three, which is cone, cylinder, and ball or sphere.
Wait a minute, my friend. My laptop is dead. Yeah, sorry, I can on cam because my laptop dead. Yeah. Cup. A cup is a three-dimensional solid bounded by six square facets or side with three meeting at its vertex. The cup is the only regular hexahedron and is one of the five Platonic solids. It has six faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Yeah, and this the formula of cup. V equal x cup ya, x cup, and SA equal to 6 times x square with V equal volume, X equal cup sets, and SA equal surface area. And pyramid. A pyramid is a polyhedron formed by connecting a polygonal base and a point called the apex. Its base, edge, and apex form a triangle called a lateral face. It's a conic solid with polygonal base. A pyramid with an edge base as n plus 1 vertex, n plus 1 face, and 2 ends edge. A pyramid is usually assumed to be a regular square pyramid. Like the physical pyramid structure, a triangle base pyramid is more often called a tetrahedron. And this formula of the pyramid, is SA equal to B plus LA, and V equal third times B times H, with V volume, B capital is B equal base surface area, H equal pyramid height, SA equal pyramid surface area, and the ordinary B is base side, and the I L and slant height, and LA equal lateral area. Prims. Prims is a solid geometric figure whose two and face are similar. Equal and parallel rectilinear figures and whose set are parallelograms. A prime is a three-dimensional shape with two identical shapes matching each other. These identical shapes are called base. The base can be a triangle, square, rectangle, or any other polygon. Other faces of a prime are parallelograms or rectangle. And this formula of the primes, V equal to 1/2 B times S times L, and SA equal to B times H plus B times L, and P equal to B plus H plus G, with SA equal surface area, P equal perimeter, L equal prime's height, V equal volume, B equal base of the triangle or prime's base, H height of the triangle, and C equal triangle slash.
Next is cone. A cone is a solid or three-dimensional object that has a circular base joined to a point by a curved side. Volume, lateral area, and surface area of cone. V equals 1/3 PR to the power of 2h. Lateral area equals PRL. And surface area equals PR to the power of 2 plus PRL, with V is volume, LA is lateral area, SA is surface area, R is base of the cone's radius, H is cone height, and L is slant height. Cylinder. Cylinder is a solid object with two identical flat ends that are circular or elliptical, and one curved side. It has the same cross-section from one end to the other. Volume and surface area of cylinder. V equals PR to the power of 2h. SA equals 2PR to the power of 2 plus 2PRH, with V is volume, SA is surface area, R is base of the cylinder's radius, and H is cylinder's height. Ball or sphere. A ball or sphere is three-dimensional surface, all points of which are equidistant from a fixed point. Volume and surface area of ball or sphere. V equals 4/3 PR to the power of 3, and SA equals 4PR to the power of 2, with V is volume, SA is surface area, and R is ball radius.
Now we move on to example. For this example, I take a prism. Find the volume of the following right prism. And so the solution is, the first one, we need to calculate the area of the triangular base. We would need to use theorem Pythagoras to calculate the height of the triangle. H to the power of 2 plus 3 to the power of 2 equals to 5 to the power of 2, which means H is the root of 5 to the power of 2 minus 3 to the power of 2 equals the root of 16, which is 4 centimeter, and that is the triangle's height. The area of triangle is 1/4 times D times H. B is the base of the triangle. H is the triangle's height, which is 6 times 4 times half, which is 12 centimeter square. Volume of prism is area of triangle times prism height, which is 12 times 8, which is 96 cm cubic. Now to the exercise. The volume of a sphere is 972 V cm cube. What is the surface area of the sphere? For the watchers, you can answer this question.
Can I try?
Yes,
The answer is A.
yes, correct. The answer is A.
Okay, thank you.
The second exercise. The volume of a cylinder is 324 V cm cube. If the height of the cylinder is 9 cylinder.
May I?
Yes,
The answer is A.
yes, you are correct. Thanks. Thank you for watching our presentation. Is there any question?
May I ask?
Yes.
Introduce my name Helen Angelita from group 10. Want to ask, why do you think we have to study the geometry of space? Thank you.
Okay, we will hold the question first. Any other question?
May I ask,
Yes.
can you explain how to solve your exercise to get the answer?
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, this one. Yes. Yes. Wait.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Excuse me, can I ask a question?
Yes.
If there's, for example, a geometry is another name for a space shape. So if there's a geometry like a tube, but in the top of the tube there's a half ball and the same of the bottom. So in the tube you have, on the top of the tube you have half ball and the bottom have half ball too. The shape is like a barbell. So my question is, what is the formula to find the volume of that shape?
Hear you correctly. In the top of tube, there's what?
At the top of tube, there's a half ball. Half ball. Can you imagine it?
Oh,
A half ball
Yes.
on the top. Yes.
Yes.
And another half ball in the bottom of the tube. So you get something like barbell. You know?
Oh. Oh yeah. Yes.
Yes. So my question is, what is the volume to find volume? What is the formula to find volume of that shape?
Okay.
Okay.
Can I ask a question also?
Wait.
Okay.
Okay. David, respond to us.
Okay. I want to ask, what the difference between ball and sphere? Thank you.
May I to ask?
Yes, you can ask.
Whether the geometry of space is still called space geometry if one of the planes doesn't exist. For example, in cube, which has 6 fields, planes, and one plane is not exist. So there can still be called a cube or not.
I'm sorry, repeat the question. I don't understand.
Okay. Whether the geometry of space is still called space geometry of one of the planes doesn't exist. For example, in a cube, which has a 6 fields, and if one plane is not there, can still be called a cube or not.
Okay. Okay. A question.
Okay, introduce my name Tarana Sharigita from group 12. I've seen a hexagon prism. How about the formula for a hexagon prism? Thank you.
I will answer by your question about the exercise. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm muted. You can look from the question, the exercise. The volume of the sphere is 972 feet. That is equal to 4 per 3 p r to the power of 3. 972 times 3 equal to 4 r to the power of 3. 2916 per 4 equals to 4 r to the power of 3 per 4. 129 equals to r to the power of 3. And so r is the root of the cubic root of 729, which is 9. And so the surface area is P 4P R square, which is 4P 9 4 times V times 9 square, which is 4 times V times 81, which is 324 feet. The second one, from the question, we know that the volume of the cylinder is 324 feet, in which the height of the cylinder is 9. The volume of cylinder is C r cubic r square times 8. The cylinder H 8. 324 V per 9 equal to V or r square times per 9, which 9 is different placement. R squared is 36. It means that R is the square root of 36, which is 6. And so the surface area is 2 times 3 times 6 squared plus 2 times 3 times 6 times 9. It is 2 times 3 times 36 plus 2 times 3 times 54, which is 72 C plus 108 C, which is 180 C. Does that answer your question?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, thank you for the
I will answer one question. In my opinion, it is very important to study the geometry of space because in this world there are so many objects or placed in the form of space geometry, and even the Earth we live in is in the form of space. It will be very confusing if we don't know geometry space. maybe there is an edit. Maybe there is an addition from my partner.
Okay, I will answer question from Rifai. What if half ball? The answer is half boy, half ball plus half ball equals balls. So we just count volume of ball and volume of tube like that.
Okay, thank you for the answer.
I have question. You can read in my chat ya.
I will answer question from Sarah. What is volume of hexagonal prisms? The volume is 6 times 1 second times A times height of triangle and times height of prisms like that.
Okay, thank you, Rizky.
I will answer the question of the barbell stuff. So this is the question, yeah. So the first thing you got to do is to find the volume of the cylinder, which is using the volume from the previous slide, which is V equals to V R squared H plus 2 plus the volume of the ball, which is 2 per 3 ER to the power of 3 times 2, which is the sphere itself. And so from what I got here is that you find the cylinder and also you find the ball from the two balls. Does that answer your question?
I will answer any question. I think if one side of the cup is missing, it is not a cup anymore, because all of this understanding cup is a three-dimensional solid object bounded by 6 sides of the square. Yeah. Have I answered your question, Andy?
Yes.
Okay, thank you for the question.
I'm sorry, Mr. Hadi, because the time is running out and there's the next group of presented. I will hold your question to another time. That's it for today. For us, that is. Thank you all for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.